So, DeHanna, if I'd ask you to give only one suggestion to beginner prop traders, what specific suggestion would you give them? Like, what you would tell them to do?
Um, I do say, I do say, baby steps and tiny tweaks. Baby steps and tiny tweaks.
Awesome.
If you want to climb a step, it is usually less stressful when the steps are not that high. You don't have to stress yourself to climb the next stage. Take it one step after the other. Trust me, you're going to get to where you're going. It's like snail
Nice.
movement. Snail would look so slow when we are looking at it, when we keep our eyes on snail. You see the snail moving so slow and you'll be so annoyed that this animal is just very, very slow. Take your eyes away from that snail for just a minute. Then you see it far away. Then you'll be like, did it run? Do you understand? To every
Absolutely.
newbie out there, you can make as much money as you want to make. You can be as great as you want to be. Everything that's made you think of being a trader, you can achieve them. You want to buy a car, you saw a fine car on Jeff Jeffrey Benson, Kojo, you see their supercars and you want to buy the same, maybe that's why you started trading, you can achieve it. But they didn't get to where they are by being reckless. You have to be careful. The moment you start valuing every dollar, you know that you're getting somewhere. When you lose, you know that, okay, fine, you made a certain amount of loss and you just need to take it easy and recover it calmly, gently. No stupid risk. You get, like, no, nothing stupid. So for I'm just going to wrap this up, really. Let's just take it easy. If you need a trading partner, you can just look for one online. If you can't get one, you can easily come to me. We can make a post about it that somebody needs a trading partner. You meet people like yourself. Then if you're trading a prop account, you can always carry somebody along. When you have somebody that you tell, when you have somebody that you look up to and the person is literally giving you advice every day. So, hi, DeHanna, I'm trading this 10K account from Supertrade and I just started today. So, you can report to me daily. I made $200 today. I risked $20. I made $200 today. I risked $40. You get that kind of thing would make somebody know that, okay, fine, if I'm reporting to Gianna next time, I don't want to say I risked $200 to make 200. Do you understand? It keeps them in check. Have someone that you look up to. Have someone that you can easily go to. Someone that will have time for you. Someone that is ready to put you on track. So it's just that easy. Trading is not particularly easy if you are not disciplined.